wanna get up on the over there, I cost ANJU owners and I cost we as labor, right, brother? Brother, the politics need to set in a one way. I'm setting a full time now. MPs, the people them, just like how you can go to a work, you know, if you go to your work and you not a certain amount of work, you have to get fired down. So these people are we pay them. So a full time now them a farm all type of laws and a reform all type of thing. At time for no reform sitting about MP policies. You see me, a MP accountable policy, something like that. You see me where you have one levels, one amount of sitting where MP have to do for qualify for the next term. Council same way. The council them what's accountable rate, brother. You see me, so if these councillors nor MPs no reach that the next election, no matter who no be on the dash way, next two come, somebody else come fit that spot there. You see me? As that figure one, brother, that figure one, because there is no way somebody like Angela Brown Teeth cannot get voting over and over and over and over and over and over and back to look the same way. There's no way Mark Golding cannot get the same big vote them over and over, hype up in chest and go on like him a book. Around a fame place, people still a shit in a bag and look same way, and the staircase them still drop off and running a fix up all now. Eh? Them people if you go and dash out of parliament, brother. You see me? Come on for this money. Hey, you can't know say I want to shit in a bag them. You see me? I want to so arrange them and shit in a bag in a whole. You can't know say ginger fly take your whole heap of ginger fly pitch pan you down. Not true. You can't know say I want to ginger fly love for them. You love all ginger fly everywhere you go. You can't go nowhere go sit down good because I'm out of ginger fly pitch pan you, everybody have to move from side. Like if you defend this a sitting here. Come on, man. Defend one next PMP MP. Not defend this as sitting here. If you defend this as sitting here, you can't know say I worse human in our world. You don't know? You can't, if me say, defend somebody else. Because I just the truth, you know. I mean, I tell you this now, everybody over TikTok know nothing I hide because we bust the secret over here. Over here, woman can show we all back to look. Over here, woman can show we say them have to jar down then clothes and shit over one part over in one sitting. Like one gully. The woman say when you want to do, you go over your sand jar down your clothes and you just drop it over there. I want them to remember say you did there. It come like you live over there. You want to ginger fly people them. You must want to ginger fly people them. And I want them to you. And people like Uno, make them people feel like them are do sitting in a Jamaica. People like Uno. And I say it all the while, guess what? Uno fall for nothing. Nothing at all. Uno don't say yo anything, we take anything. This a woman you hopeless MP. You see me? And she not do nothing for the people them. The people them want back to live in a worse condition and the people them want help, bro. Them come on TikTok, come talk, so them that love for should do something better for them around there. You hear me telling you? When the woman come and show you how people and picnic and something, you never see people that use cardboard box and make house. And shit also come by us a look a while, eh? Or you feel good for know say people are living in a cardboard house, not because we have a good house living. You feel like we want to know say we brothers and sisters in a Jamaica, people are hold them down under them environment. They look up picnic around the brother. You feel like the people know one better, eh? The people them want better, but the people them say them can't vote her out because of certain. Yo, I don't know, you know. The people them say them really want to get rid of Ronnie and try to see if somebody could have come to better for them. But them cannot do it because of them life and death situation. So imagine people are living in worse. In the worst conditions, bro. Through life and death situation. You believe them thing there? Eh? I hate it. I hate it around there. You hear me, girl? Hate it. Hate it around there, so. In a Jamaica, because the people them want change, but them cannot go for the change. Because why? The people them say them evil try to go for the change. Them life in a jeopardy to get a good living conditions. And you have to tell me about my mama. Right, me suck my mama, man. That's why I have sense. You suck for your papa. You want your papa suck at them. You hear me tell her? You better try and know that. So when you come and start chat, brother, I'm telling you, we are not only for labor right now, we are for Jamaica. I'm a proud labor right, I love my party. But I love my country, brother. You see me, I have people in Jamaica where, brother, people want to hear them cry. You see me, people want to hear them cry because them can't cry for themselves, bro. You see me, but them come over here, come show with them cry. And show we say, yo, we nobody feel like say we two run and back to. You see me? We love the condition when we are live under. We don't love it, but we just have to live under the conditions. You see me? Because guess why? I don't like the people them have it. I'm telling you one thing with town people, if you don't know about town people. Town people don't really love country, you know, and every town people have country family, you know. So the town people them are living in them place, they have country family, them left and gone. And left out of them place, they and gone, them not stay there, brother. But you know, some people where I know they say them want to stay, bro. Them not have it. Them not have the family. Them not have certain things to left out and go certain places. So me I show you, brother. So you see people like them that we can't find in other space, the bro, and can't live. Only thing them want a little help from the MP to make it look better for them, brother. And the conditions around there is not good. Yo, me can't tell you nothing. Believe me to God, you see if I'm big, like one of them, big cholera, one of them big any one of them kind of big disease that broke out in Jamaica. I'm sorry for the people around this, everybody around this, almost everybody around this are alive. And you believe me? I say if one big cholera, one of them big sitting there for outbreak, there for go on, God forbid, everybody around this are gone, brother. To the way of the people them live, them can't survive. All them youth around this, nothing around this can't survive, brother. Believe me to God. I wonder if you see the condition where the people them live under, bro. I don't feel good. I don't know a PMP, I'm going to sit down and do a cuss and joke all this. All big old mama salt them, we have them big stinking cow mouth or hog mouth or what kind of mouth it have. Make it can't get up and cuss this year. And tell this year say, go help the people them around there. Go help the people them around there. People them need help, bro. You see me? Now me I say this. We are Jamaican, bro. I know for one of them know say we know what some humanitarian documentary out of Jamaica. I want to see how people live out of Jamaica. It hurt no heart. It hurt no heart, bro. So imagine people in Jamaica live so, bro. How you feel? Tell me the truth, bro. And them are sitting up, hold on, and them are sitting here Sam Sharp and none of them and the whole life freedom fighter, them fight for, brother, for people, them come with the people come and oppress people in our country, brother. Oppress them, have them under the worst, brother. And them are sitting here people come for. And hold on, so now tell me sitting say them are sitting here. We hero them, give them life, get beaten. How much lashes a day time, brother? Run up and down in a kasha. For see all the people, for politicians, wicked politicians like them here, come have the people them live under them conditions, the brother. For have the people them live under them conditions, the bro. And when we come and attack for them feel it, and people see it and tell them say, yo, no wicked. When you come and tell me something, mama, and check no way, I don't know if you do it. I don't know if you do it, brother, because phone side of people, but guess what? We love the country, brother, and we have love for people. You hear me telling you? We have love for people. No say that, brother. You can't say the people. Listen, me telling you, me say. Listen, me I telling you this. See the people, no people might feel like everybody around this up. Me telling you. No, say not everybody around there want to live in them conditions, bro. Me I telling you, and everybody. And everybody, bro. Believe me to God. Whole heap of the people around them want to change, bro. But them can't, brother. Listen to me. You know, so I see the woman they live and I show what going around there. I show you something, you know. The woman I show what going around there and I appeal for help. You see me? And I appeal for help, you know, brother. And I put it out there for make other people see it, you know. You know what go on? People want to fight her and brother, I don't know if you know people that want to do her around there, brother. You see me? That for sure, I see, I know everybody around there want to be like that, brother. People around there want better, bro. You see me? Big up yourself, my G, man. Big up yourself. You see, people around there want better, my friend. But guess what? As me say, you just have people, you know, people are all along the people. And brother, imagine a man get a piece of food for you. You can't chat. You can't live your life to the way how you want to live it. You have to just live to how them said. You hear me say? You have to just come, you have to live to how them said, brother. You don't want to do things, but you can't do it. Brother, a prisoner there, jailhouse, brother. You hear me telling you? A prisoner jailhouse there. And there is no member, you know. Every single MP get constituency development fund now. The zinc removal program. You know the amount of program did there? The social housing program. Indigent housing program, and Miss Brown Teeth couldn't do nothing for people around there, but she want to come get up and chat about Miss Dalrymple. In the amount of people. Right now, me can send request to somebody come be a witness and give them testimony. And Miss Dalrymple making them get one of the nice social housing and the whole of Fame family in a PMP. The whole of Fame family. And the G say them fall in one way and want help. And I want food for the poor house, them beg the woman, and the woman say no food for the poor board.